Welcome YOGATX. This is Echo with Monday Morning Flows with Echo. I am super ecstatic to be bringing today's practice to you from this amazingly majestic spot at Crater Lake. It is a little bit chilly, so we're going to do a bit of activation this morning and really get moving, get the blood moving through the body, and really move energy through all the fascial networks, so moving through all the planes of the body in only 15 minutes. So get ready to breathe and to move and to activate and wake up. Let's start on the yoga mat at the top of your mat. All right, standing at the top of your yoga mat, arms alongside the body, relax the shoulders, relax the face, brow and jaw, release. Open the eyes, inhale, reach the arms up, and exhale, hands to heart. Inhale, reach up, and exhale to the heart. Inhale, reach up, and exhale, hands to the heart. Taking a moment here, even in short flow, to create intention for your practice. It can just be acceptance, self-love, compassion. Allow yourself to move freely and boldly. Open the eyes and let's begin. Really ground down through the right foot, arms alongside the body. Pull the left knee into the chest. Take an inhale, reach the arms up. And exhale, open the chest, bend the elbows, look up. Inhale, reach the arms up. And exhale, send the left leg back behind you, arms reaching forward. Warrior 3, Virabhadrasana 3. Shoot that left foot back. Keep the left hip rolling underneath the body. Arms in line with the ears. Take an inhale. And exhale, set the left foot down, reach the arms up, sink into the right knee. Pull the left hip forward, right hip back. Take an inhale. And exhale, hands to the heart. Let's twist to the left. Left hand outside the right knee. Detox in the belly for the morning. Make sure the chest isn't resting on the thighs. Enjoy this amazing view. You can pretend like you're at Crater Lake with me. Let's take an inhale, open the arms up wide, left hand down, right arm up. Inhale. And exhale, come to standing in your twist, right arm reaching back, left hand forward, nice open chest. Inhale. Exhale, hands to the earth. Keep the left hand planted, right arm stretching up, open the chest, look up towards the right hand. Take an inhale. Exhale, roll onto the outer blade of each foot. Modified side plank, let the left hip drop down to hover, right arm reaching back. Inhale, lift up, reach the right arm forward. Exhale, lower to hover, reach back. Inhale, lift and reach. Exhale, lower to hover. Inhale, lift. And exhale, hover. Last one, inhale, come back around the right foot. And exhale, step forward, fold. Inhale, plant the feet down, slowly roll all the way up. Shrug the shoulders at the top. Beautiful. And inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, hands to heart center. Ground down through the left foot. Pull the right knee into the chest. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, bend the elbows, open the chest, look up. Inhale, lift up through the arms. Exhale, send the right leg back behind you. Reach the arms forward. Roll the right hip underneath the body. Core engaged. Strong foundational left leg. Let your arms reach out alongside the ears. Take an inhale. Exhale, set the right foot down. Reach the arms up. Nice and long. The wind is blowing here today. It's nice and cold. I'm glad I've got a jumper. Take an inhale. Exhale, hands to heart center. Twist to the left, right elbow outside the left knee. Again, remember to keep the chest off the thighs. Keep pulling that left hip back, right hip forward. Wringing out the belly. Whatever pizza or cookies or whatever you ate for dinner last night, we begin to detoxify the gut. Open the arms up nice and wide. Take an inhale. Exhale, press through the left foot to lift into that twist. Reach the left arm back, right arm forward. Nice and long in the twist. Take an inhale. Exhale, hands to the earth, right hand down, left arm stretching up, twisting here. Inhale. You know where we're going. Exhale. Modified side plank. Drop the right hip down, reach back with the left hand. Inhale, lift the hips, reach forward with the left arm. Exhale, lower and hover. Inhale, lift. And exhale, lower. Feel that side line stretch. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. Feel the strength here in the right shoulder and the core. Inhale, lift. Exhale, left hand down, step forward, fold. Beautiful. Take an inhale, come up halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise to standing, reach up. And exhale, hands to heart. Bend the knees, big toes together, sink the hips, chair pose, reach the arms up. I got a little bit of imbalance on the rocks here. So I get to practice in beautiful places, but this is definitely not a home or studio floor. Keep the hips back, arms in line with the ears. Take an inhale. Exhale, sweep the arms back. Inhale, lift, still sunk in the chair. Exhale, fold. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Stay deep in the seat. Inhale. Exhale. Last one, inhale. Exhale, fold, hands to the lower back, make a fist. Press the fist up behind you, fold into the shins. Sigh it out. Slight bend in the knees if you need it. Hands to the shins, inhale halfway. Exhale, fold, plant the hands. Step back to a plank position, top of a push-up. Engage the core. Take an inhale. And exhale, downward facing dog. Press back, heels into the earth. Palms pressing in. Inhale, come forward to plank. Exhale, side plank, Vajrasthana right side, left arm stretching up. Left leg can lift if you like for more challenge, or even take a hold of left big toe, bringing it up towards the sky. Hold it. Couple more breaths here. You got it. Take an inhale. And exhale, bend the left knee, everyone. Set the left foot down behind you, left arm reaching back. Wild thing, nice open chest. Take an inhale. And exhale, hands to the earth. Plank, press back, downward facing dog. Take an inhale, come forward to plank. And exhale, side plank, left hand down, right arm reaching up. Maybe the right leg lifts. Maybe you take a hold of the right big toe, shoot it up towards the sky or the ceiling. Stay with it. Even if you're just keeping the hips lifted with the right foot down, no worries. Inhale. Bend the right knee, everyone. Set the right foot down behind you. Right arm reaching back. Get nice and long through the front line. Take an inhale. And exhale, hands to the earth. Downward facing dog. Walk the hands back towards the feet here. Fold in towards the shins. And come up halfway, inhale. Take the feet apart. Exhale, bring the hands underneath the feet, stepping onto the palms. And slowly fold forward. Slight bend in the knees. Let the head drop in. You guys can't see, but we've got some onlookers here. I'm pretty sure they're looking at the view and not me, but sharing our practice with quite a few people. Take the hands out, inhale, come up halfway. Then exhale, fold. Inhale, rise to standing, reach up. And exhale, hands to heart center. Take an inhale, reach up. Exhale, pull the right knee into the chest. And exhale, open the chest, open the arms, or open the chest, bend the elbows. Take an inhale. Exhale, step forward with the right foot, reach the arms up, set the left knee down. Getting a little bouncy here. Take an inhale. Exhale, hands to heart, twist to the right. Left elbow outside the right knee, turn to face back. Take an inhale. And exhale, right hand down the left calf or left thigh. Right hand down left calf. And then left arm stretching up overhead. So right hand is down on the left leg. Left arm is stretching up. Get nice and long through the left side body. Take an inhale. And exhale. Hands to the earth. Step back. Downward facing dog. Walk the hands towards the feet. Inhale, come up halfway. And exhale, fold. Inhale, rise to standing or reach up. And exhale, hands to heart. Bend the left knee into the chest. Inhale. Exhale, open the elbows, open the heart. Take another inhale. Exhale, sweep the arms forward. Step the left foot forward, low lunge. Inhale. Exhale, right knee down, hands to heart, twist to the left. Right elbow outside the left knee. Beautiful work. Take an inhale. And exhale, left hand down the right calf, right arm stretching up and over. I forget my lefts and rights sometimes, guys. Bear with me. Nice length through the right side body. Take a nice long inhale. And exhale, hands to the earth. Step back, downward facing dog. Let's come down to the knees. Let them go wide, sink back towards the heels. Forehead comes down to the earth, child's pose. Let the arms go long, relax the elbows. Massage the forehead from left to right. Take a nice inhale through the nostrils, sigh out of the mouth, exhale. And again. Can stay here for as long as you need in your practice. You can pause. And when you're ready, you'll slowly begin to peel the chest up, bringing the knees together, sitting back onto the heels, palms shining up on the thighs, allowing yourself to receive good energy here and ease. And taking a moment, even in these smaller practices, to really understand the intention behind your movement. Taking the bit of activation and peace that you've created here in your breath and body and expelling it and projecting it out into a world very much in need of peace and ease. Bring hands together at heart center, bowing your head to heart and acknowledging the beauty of your vastness, your connection. Doing your best to take this intention throughout your day. Together we say namaste. So thank you so much for practicing yoga with me today, wherever you are in the world. I hope to see you someday in 3D or at least on your yoga mat here again on YOGATX. Feel free to subscribe down below so that you can stay in contact with us for our practices that are coming up each week. And you can also find me at www.echoflowyoga.com or find me at my socials down below to see what I'm doing in the world and where I'm flowing. Thank you guys and have a beautiful rest of your day.